No matter what, whatever your life situation, disease, death, divorce, whatever the hell is happening in your life, even if the worst things are happening to you, still there is no reason for you to get frustrated, miserable, depressed, whatever, because you came here with nothing. Whatever is happening, you're anyway on the profit side. And there is an assurance when you go, there is nothing to take. What are you crying about? What is it? No, you know what they said, what they did, they looked at me like this, they said that, they did this, they did that. It doesn't matter who did what. Just see what a dastardly thing you're doing to yourself when you make yourself miserable. Nobody has to do anything to you. If you are making yourself stressed,